So we've been here today delivering some workshops, some taster workshops. We're here to sort of let the school, let the students know who we are and what we're doing, and sort of encourage some students to come down and visit our, take part in the taster workshops, and hopefully get a few kids into the training program down at the theatre.
Because I like working with others and I find it really fun making new friends.
The reason I love dance is making new friends and getting my social anxiety skills even higher and working with loads of new people.
I love dance because I get to meet new people and I get to show the creativity side of me.
I like dance because it's one of the things that I like to work with people and it increases my creativity, and I also like to learn new things.
Dance because it's an outlet from academic lessons. I like dance because it's a way to express who you are and how you feel. I like dance because it's a fun form of physical activity.
I like dance because it lets me express myself in another form.
I like dance because it helps me when I'm stressed out and it relieves my mind from other stuff.
I like dance because it makes me more creative and more I have more communication with my friends. I like dance because I get to work with other people.
They've been fantastic, yeah, they've been really engaged, really focused. Their contribution, especially in the creative work, is amazing. It's something that to see kids have that much energy and commitment in something that can quite often be a little bit daunting in schools, especially of kids of this age. It's inspiring, it's wicked.